drama, and the year 9s hopefully so that they choose it as an option for year 10. Yeah, so we got the massive school hall, which meant that we could have loads of space, and we looked at an excerpt from Matilda. There's loads of different ways that we can learn, and especially as a theatre practitioner, one of the ways of doing and learning is by experiencing it, and so you have to get up and try it. So I'm a big advocate for not sitting down and sitting still when talking about stuff. We did do discussions. We had moments where the young people were planning what their sort of sections were going to look like, being able to have a sense of advocacy of their own work and be responsible for making decisions. It's just a real joy to watch, and I think that type of learning, an experiential version, is just a joy, and I think it's part and parcel of what kind of dance and drama brings, is that connecting with people, using the space, using props, telling stories, and they all really got into it together.
My favourite bit was probably like the 4 Trunchbulls, when I got to act out being like a mean, dominant character. Because like I don't normally express that side to me, and I'm normally quite quiet and shy, but just being allowed to let out like everything was amazing. Yeah, I do enjoy like getting together and doing more movement instead of sitting in a classroom, because some kids don't learn from a paper and pen. They need to get moving, need to get expressing what they feel like, and drama can be that sort of thing for kids to express themselves.